Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be going through my closet and switching out my winter clothes with my summer clothes. That way, when I go into my closet to pick out an outfit for the day, all I see are clothes that I can potentially wear that day, and I'm not overwhelmed and confused by all the options and clothes that are not summer appropriate. I also wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by ThredUp, so thank you ThredUp for sponsoring this video. What ThredUp is they are a website that sells like new secondhand clothes. And the reason I like shopping secondhand for my clothes is because not only does it save me a ton of money, but I also can give new life to clothes that are still really beautiful. First, I'm going to show you all of the items that I chose from ThredUp. I'm going to tell you how much I got each item for, and I'm going to share with you why I chose each particular piece of clothing. Then I'm going to go through my closet and do a little closet declutter and switch out my winter clothes with my new summer clothes. I also wanted to let you know that ThredUp is offering a 25% off discount for your first order. All you have to do is use the link that I have in the description box down below and use the code ALLIE25 for 25% off your first order. So let's go ahead and get into everything that I got from ThredUp. I chose this maternity dress. I think it's lovely. It's by the brand Old Navy. I got it in this maroon color, but I also got the exact same dress in a gray color because I loved it that much. I got this dress in a size small, and it fits me now, but it's gonna fit me even better when my bump has grown. The sleeves are 3/4 inch. And the material is a nice solid material. It's on the thicker side, so it's not going to be see-through. I think this dress would be lovely as just a casual day dress, but it also can be dressed up to wear for a fancier occasion or at nighttime. The estimated retail price on this dress is $48, and I got it for $19.13. Next, I chose to go with another maternity dress. I plan on living in dresses this summer since I am pregnant and I live in a hot, humid climate. This adorable shirt dress is in a jean material. It's by the brand Old Navy, and I got this in an extra small. It is a little bit big on me now, although it still looks really cute, but it is going to look super cute once my bump has grown and I have a nice big basketball bump to fill out the dress. This dress is very casual, and so it's going to be so nice to just throw on and run out the door, but I'm still going to look cute and put together. The estimated retail price on this dress is $48, and I got it for $19.20. Next, I chose this Nike track jacket. This jacket is so versatile. You can pair it with jean shorts, athletic shorts, capri leggings, full-length leggings. You can wear it not only in the summertime, but you can also wear it in the wintertime. It's so versatile and so pretty. I chose it in this light blue color, and it's a half zip jacket, and I got it in the size small. The estimated retail price on this jacket is $89, and I got it for $20. The first swimsuit that I chose is by the brand Hula Honey. I got it in a size medium. It's a two-piece swimsuit, and I fell in love with this swimsuit for a couple of reasons. One, I loved the pattern on it. I love this kind of coral with a black background, but I also loved the style of the swimsuit. I think it has a lot of character and a lot of cute details. The back of the top is strappy, and it crisscrosses in the back. And on the back of the bottoms, there's this cute little ruffled detail that I think will look really cute on. The estimated retail price for this swimsuit is $60, and I got it for $28.80. The next swimsuit that I chose was also by the brand Hula Honey. It is again in the size medium. It's a two-piece swimsuit, and I fell in love with this swimsuit because of the unique pattern. It's kind of a watercolor, and the straps on the top are a hunter green, which I thought was really cute. It crisscrosses in the back and then ties in a bow, and the bottoms are just really cute and flattering and have two little gathers at the hips, which I think will look really cute. The estimated retail price for this swimsuit is $60, and I got it for $28.80. The last swimsuit that I chose was by the brand Sundays. It is in a size medium. It's a two-piece swimsuit, and this is a more casual swimsuit, and I thought that was a really cool thing to have on hand. I love the unique pattern. It's kind of an Aztec pattern with some neon colors, which is unique and pretty. I love how casual this swimsuit is, but I think it does a good job of standing out in a subtle kind of way. The estimated price on this swimsuit is $71, and I got it for $34.40. So now I'm moving on to the declutter part of the closet, where I am going to remove my winter clothes and replace them with my summer wardrobe. The first thing that I'm going to do is hang up the clothes that I just got from ThredUp. I've already washed them so they're nice and clean and ready to be worn, so I'm just going to go ahead and put those on hangers and set them aside.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
This bin that has just been thrown up in the closet is full of bras that don't fit me right now and maternity clothes that are still a little bit too big, but I will be needing in the near future and need to go ahead and hang them up in the closet. So I'm going to remove that from the closet and then go ahead and go through my clothes and see what I have and see what winter items I can go ahead and remove. And I'll move down to the bottom part of the closet and do the same thing with my jackets. I'm going to go ahead and leave some of the lighter jackets and lighter zip-up hoodies just in case I do find myself chilly during the summer and I for some reason need them. And then I'm going to go through that miscellaneous bin and pull out the bras that I'm going to need during my pregnancy and kind of go through my maternity clothes and see what I would like to keep and hang up in the closet.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
And these are just some belly bands and some summer shorts that'll be great towards the end of the pregnancy and even after I have the baby because they're a little bit on the baggier side. And I'll just go ahead and either put these in these bins up at the top of the closet or in some of the drawers in my dresser. And then I'm going to go ahead and hang up those maternity clothes that I have decided to keep. And now I'm going to hang up my new summer clothes that I got from ThredUp. Next, I'm having Andrew go through his side of the closet. This was pretty much like pulling teeth for poor Andrew, but I did get him to go through some things and even get rid of a few items that he no longer wears. The closet might not look a whole lot different to you, but it definitely looks a whole lot better to me, and it feels a whole lot better knowing that all I have in here are clothes that I'm actually going to wear. Lastly, I'm going to go through Emerson's closet. She has clothes that I know are too small, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out all of those clothes that are too small for her and put them in storage for possible future babies. We don't know if we're having a girl or a boy yet, so I have saved all of her clothes so far, and even if we end up having a boy this pregnancy, I still want to save them in case we have a girl in the future. The system that I have for Emerson's clothes that are too small for her is not ideal, but I'm going to go ahead and stick them in this plastic bag and put it back in the closet just in case in the future I find some more clothes that are too small for her.
Around and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong. You feel like
I had run out of hangers in Emerson's closet, but now I have all of these hangers since I got rid of some of her clothes, and that is a good feeling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big ol' thumbs up to show me that you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Check out ThredUp if you have not already. Use the link in the description box and use code ALLIE25 to get 25% off of your first order. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
just call on me.